guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is so exciting. I have just moved to France, so I can't believe it either. It's still a little bit surreal for me, but for those of you who don't follow MGEMS, you probably have no idea that this was even in the pipeline. So I recently finished my geology undergrad. I'm sure a lot of you probably know that, but if you've joined my channel within the last year, you probably don't. So I graduated just over a year ago, and I kind of took a year out to just relax, you know, have a break from education. You know, I worked a few jobs trying to work out where I want my geological career to go, obviously alongside doing YouTube as my own business, and I came across this master's which is just perfect. It incorporates all my passions within geology, and it also allows me to travel alongside it. So it's in 4 different countries over the course of 2 years, and I'm just so excited to start. Like, it is just a little bit crazy. Especially with COVID going on. I'm really happy that I've made it here because it's just a little bit stressful travelling at the moment, but I'm really grateful for my parents because they actually drove me to France, which, you know, that's a big thing to ask, and it's also an even bigger thing because they've had to quarantine in the UK for 2 weeks. But I wanted to make sure I got to France with, you know, with 2 weeks to spare, if you will, before my course started, to make sure that if France took reciprocal action and I had to quarantine here for 2 weeks, that I wouldn't then miss out on any of my university course. So luckily France didn't, but I am here nonetheless, waiting for my course to start. So I thought I would update you guys. I'm so excited to take this next step. It's just all a bit crazy, really. So follow MGEMS if you want to kind of be a part of that side of my life. You know, rocks and fashion, it's an interesting mix, but that's just me, and I wouldn't have it any other way. But I thought I would update you guys. I'm pretty much settled in, but I will do a room tour once I've unpacked everything and show you guys my 4th uni room. That's a bit crazy, isn't it? So in total, by the end of this master's, I'm going to have 7 uni room tours for you guys. Like, that's a bit excessive, but why not? So this is by far my favourite room so far. Losing my voice a little bit, talking too much, that's what I'm doing. I actually haven't spoken much since I've been in France. I think that's what it is, because I always have a mask on. You don't like, dunno, I just haven't been talking much to people, and then I'm now sat in front of my camera talking and my throat's like, what are you doing to me? So my apologies about that, but yeah, it's all a bit crazy here in France because you have to wear a mask like outside in public places. So literally as soon as I leave my room, my mask goes on. So it's taken some getting used to. You know, I've got some pretty masks on the way. I know that's not important, but it's really hard to remember to wear them. You know, I've had to like I've got the medical ones and I've put them in like every bag, and it's just like, just trying to like remember to have them always on me, because you know, it's risking other people really as well as myself if I don't wear them, so I have to like keep reminding myself, make sure you bring them. But I'm rambling, I apologise. Anyway, I just wanted to update you guys. I'm in France, very exciting. I hope you guys enjoyed this life update. I hope it wasn't too shocking. Do follow along my MGEMS channel if you're interested in kind of the geological side of my life and have, you know, if you like fossils and rocks, you're gonna love my channel. So do check that out. But yeah, really hope you guys enjoyed. I'll put my beret on for the ending. This isn't me being a stereotype of French people. This is me just really loving my toadstool beret, which matches my mushroom dress. I don't think any French person would actually wear this beret, let's be honest, but coolest hat ever, I think, anyway. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Let me know what videos you'd like. I will do the room tour fairly soon, so don't worry about that. But thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.